I'll share to you, explain ko yung SAM natin, okay, para hindi ka malito. And this is what you have to do, or the SAM is called Strategic Averaging Method. And how do you use this?
Saglit po. Yung, di ba po nag-membership ako 5,000. So maglalagay po ako another, for example, 5,000 or hanggang sa dumami para magkaroon ng mga ganyan. Tama po? Or yung mag-i-start na from the membership ko yung 5,000 na yun?
So sa TRC, the membership is purely membership. It's totally different from the COL. So this is two different accounts, diba? As I've said, TRC is like a membership for our guidance so that alam natin kung ano yung bibilhin. They do the research for us. They guide us with everything, but it's not officially like magkasama sila sa COL. It's totally different platform and it's totally a different company. Okay?
So, ibig sabihin po, mag-i-invest ako ng panibagong amount doon. Ganun po?
Yes. You can open the COL one. To open an account, you can open as low as 1,000 pesos.
Mababa naman po.
Yeah, that's the account. But syempre, kung ikaw, depende sa goal mo, how much you want to achieve, how much you want to buy. But yung kwan ng Tilagante is just to get started. So later, in our TRC videos, you will be learning kung paano mo ba siya how do you manage your finances. Kunyari, this is your income. How much do you set aside for your investment and how much are you spending? So it's really like learning the habit of investing. If you really want to build like your portfolio for, like Gina, diba, yung helper ni Brother Bo. She was only earning 7,000 a month when she started. So I think as an OFW, we earn more.
So ibig sabihin ko, sa pagkakaintindi ko, ibig sabihin magaling rin siya mag-ganon-ganon. Kung saan ibabato or focus lang siya.
Actually, she's just following yung ano yung ginagawa sa TRC. Wala siyang background sa stock market talaga.
Kasi baka ako wala akong tulad nito, ma'am, hindi ko po alam yung mga sinasabi niyo na. Hindi ko mag-gets.
I'll explain to you kung paano. Kasi you really don't know. You don't need to know about the stock market. All we need is to follow instruction. Okay?
Ayun
Ako
nga,
honestly, as a nurse, and I really don't know a lot din. Even now, I've been a member sa TRC for 8 years, but I still don't know about the stock market very well, like how it works. But I'm investing because I'm only following instruction. And that's what I'm going to share to you. Why it's so sulit to be a TRC member. Okay? So, saan na yun? Share ko lang ha. Let me just share this one. So, I'll share to you the SAM. Ito yun. Okay. Asan ba yun? So I just share the screen. So, can you see this is Sam? Can you see this?
Okay.
So, di ba ito yung membership mo? Okay? So, yung membership mo, I'll just log out just to show you. Ito, magla-login ka. So, and then you go to the materials, my materials. And I really suggest to you if kahit 30 minutes a day, make it a habit to go to your platform and watch video kahit 30 minutes a day lang, tapos read something. Pero, you don't need to look at the sum every day. Kasi in the investing side, we really just do it once a month naman. Or, again, it's not compulsory, right? You have to have discipline to do it. Pero depende kung how much you want to achieve sa investment mo, then depende na sa'yo magkano. May recommendation sila na amount, but at the end of the day, hindi siya katulad ng insurance na okay, magbabayad ka 5,000 a month or 10,000 a month. Nothing like that. But we just really get the guidance on how much is your income right now. Kunyari, 100,000, how much you should allocate for your investment. Kasi this is more on building your wealth. The reason why I really like it, kasi parang kahit nagtatrabaho tayo everyday, di ba? As an employee, or you have a business, nagro-roll naman siya, no? But then, if you have the money in your hands, most likely, we just spend it, di ba? I don't know. You don't need to answer my question. Kunyari ako, before I was earning well naman, earning as a nurse, tapos nakasave naman ako. But in 1 year, siguro I've saved a lot. In 2 years, and then naubos din siya kaagad pag uwi ko sa Philippines. So parang balik na naman sa zero, you know. But then when I started investing, I started with 7,000 a month before, like, you know, konti-konti lang. So you feel like whatever happens now, alam mo na may something going on, you know, on the side. Parang kinakalimutan ko na lang siya. But the good thing is in the stock market, it's growing more than the bank. Diba? It's like average
Okay po.
natin here is 12 to 14%. And the bank only gives us 1% in our savings. So big difference talaga. Big difference. So how do you use the sum table? Ito yung pinaka-highlight ng TRC kasi. Kasi you can learn those financial literacy naman outside, but the sum table, tuturuan nila tayo kung ano yung company na bibilhin natin. At what price, and then when to sell, and magkano dapat sa portfolio. So, okay, are you confused looking at this right now?
Oo. Ibig sabihin mga continue buying, yun yung pwedeng ibilhin, ganun po ba?
That's right. So, explain ko one by one. So, ito of course is,
Sige
this is
po.
the stocks, maybe name of the stocks. So, di ba may
Apo.
code kasi siya, stocks.
Aha.
And this get updated every day. Every day siya ina-update. Okay? So, every time you're buying, you have to come here talaga. Tingnan mo siya. So, it will say here, last updated. It's August 28 at 9:56 a.m. So, nagbabago talaga to siya. Depende sa stock market. Okay? Kasi you know, the stock market is so volatile. And current price, meaning this is how much it is in the stock market right now. If you go to the PSE or Philippine Stock Exchange, ito yung price niya. Ito yung current price. So, it can change as well. Maybe mag-change siya ng konti kasi di ba it works like it changes in every minute, seconds, maybe few cents, few pesos, but generally hindi siya malaki yung changes. And then ito yung buy below price. So when I say buy below price, this is now the TRC based on the research, because sa TRC may financial analyst who does this for us. Sila yung gumagawa ng research. They make sure that what they recommend here, we're buying it at a good price. At a good price, kunyari like what they're discussing on if you watch the videos, at least 15% cheaper than the market. Para there's really a room for us to profit. You know, but long term, hindi siya day trading na bukas or next month. And then, of course, the target price. Target price is, this is when we sell it. So pag kunyari, binili mo siya, I'll check here ha. Kunyari, Cebu Pacific. Is that BPI? Kunyari, BPI. Right now, the price is 65. Okay? And then the buy below price is 70. So, instruction is continue buying. Diba? Kasi, 70 ang buy below price and the price is 65. So anything that is below 70%, 70.43, you can buy it. And then once it gets to 81 pesos per share, then we will get an email from Truly Rich Club, hey, it's time to sell it. They will remind us. So it will go to your email. So my reminder, while you are an active member of the Truly Rich Club, you will get an email. It's called Stock Alert, okay? I'll show you the email actually. And then, ito yung expected growth. Yung, magkano kaya yung possible ng growth ng money ko when I buy it at today? Possible percentage of growth. The maximum percentage, this one, for newbies, it doesn't apply to you yet. Kasi ito yung meaning, in your portfolio, kunyari, first stocks ka pa lang, so meaning, isa lang yung nasa portfolio mo. When I say portfolio in your COL account, it will only be 100%, right? But as you buy more in the future, like, you know, every month, apat na yung binili mo, you have to follow this percentage. Hindi pwedeng isa lang yung bilhin mo, tapos 100% siya sa portfolio mo. It has to be diversified, di ba? Kasi we try, they want us to minimize the risk. So dapat konti lang, ito lang. It will tell naman sa portfolio mo. And then percentage from target price. Ito yung same lang naman siya ng expected growth. So it's still negative. Why is it negative percentage from target price? It's I'm not sure. Yes, actually. Okay. So when you're starting, what I do when I started, syempre pipiliin ko yung pinaka mataas na expected growth, right? So you look here. Ano yung pinakamataas na possible mag-grow? So if I look up here, ano yung pinakamataas? So far it's shell, but here is hold or sell. So not that one. Kunyari, I'll go, itong MPI, ito is 100% expected growth. Okay? MPI is a real estate company. So if you want to know more about, honestly, all of this, that's why I like Truly Rich Club, because I don't really need to do the research, you know. I just trust them because they have 40 years of experience in the stock market. They know what they're doing. So hindi na ako mas-stress kung anong bibilhin ko. I just follow instruction. And ang MBT, I think, is 91% expected growth. That's Metro Bank. Metro Bank. So, yun yung ginagawa ko at first. You know, pagbago pa lang. Pagbago ka pa, you just choose kung ano yung gusto mo and with the highest expected growth. Okay? So, MBT, MPI. If you're someone who's techie or gusto mong mas alam mo sa stock market, we also have newsletters sa stock update. Kung gusto mo, are you the type of person na mahilig magbasa? Pero honestly, ako hindi.
Oo nga eh.
So, kaya the stock market can be very technical, you know, if wala kang alam, and most people, they thought they cannot do it. Kasi imagine ikaw magre-research all of this, there's no way you can do it, right?
Kaya nga.
Right? That's why I love this Sam, because all I need to do is ano yung mataas. Actually, that's all I do. And pipiliin ko and then I'll buy it, you know? And you're confident that somebody is doing it for you. Like, you're not guessing. You know, that's why they're really saying that the risk is minimized talaga. Because this is well studied to the details. And the companies that they recommend for us to continue buying here, the value of it is good. You know, like, sinasabi nga nila, there's at least 15%, we're getting it 15% lesser. Like, depende sa value ng company. Depende on what's going on that company. You know, because they, of course, they really look at ano yung project for the next 10 years or 5 years, or what's going on with that company right now. Is it affected by COVID? Like Shell recently, the latest news with Shell is that they sold their plant. Kasi di ba nga, affected masyado yung Shell ngayon because hindi masyadong maraming gumagamit ng gas. Kasi di ba, lockdown and hindi, like, you know, there's not a lot of use ngayon sa gasolina. Because people are just at home. So, wala masyadong car. So, and I'll show you. They will actually update us with email. Kunyari, this is what I get. Can you see my email? Can you see it? My email? So, stock alert. If I go, type here stock alert, ito yung dapat mong tingnan. At least check your email daily for stock alert. So, here. This was August 14. Okay? So, something happened with Shell. So, what they do is...
Ay, yan. Na-receive ko po nga yun. Na-receive ko yung ano niya.
So, that's good. So, it's like that. So, once there's changes, they email us. They update us. Hey, this is what's going on. If you have it, sell it. If you don't have it or want to hold it. So, they will explain why you should sell it or why you should hold it. At the end of the day, you still have that freedom. Kung ano yung gusto mong piliin based on what they said. Diba? So, here, if basahan ko lang na konti. So, Shell Philippines has announced that it will shut down its refinery after 58 years. So parang they're educating us what's going on. And ito yung possible na mangyayari. So you can sell it or you can hold it. Ganito yung mga instruction. So all we really need to do is, if you receive this email, you go to your COL and do what they ask you to do. Okay? So basically following instructions. So all you really need to know is you know how to read and to follow instruction. So you don't need to be technical. Kaya sinasabi nila na anybody can invest as long as, of course, you can read and follow instructions. And I'm sure you can. So, yan. So, ganito, just check your email. So, as long as you're a member of the Truly Rich Club, you will always get this update. You know, and okay, so balik na ako dun sa sum table. So, those are the example. So, example, I want to, paano ba bibili? So, every time you buy, so you haven't opened your account yet sa COL, but yeah, it will take a day or two. Just follow those instructions. Ito yung, di ba, sign up. Valid ID, and then your photo, cell phone, and video. They will give you exact instruction. And then they will verify. Before you can open the account, you need to fund your COL at 1,000 or whatever you have. 1,000 yung minimum. Before it's 5,000. But they made it now 1,000 para it can really be available to like kahit, you know, kahit housemaid, kahit sino, like, you know, siguro naman kaya naman nila ng 1,000. And the thing is, you have 3 months to fund that 1,000. So they really made it possible. Like, you know, ano pa yung excuse mo, di ba? Parang ganon. It's online and you need 1,000 pesos to open it, to activate your account. Once you have it, you can buy, di ba? So yan. I can really see, no? Kasi nga dati 5,000 to. But then now, 1,000 na lang. But if you have extra cash, I would suggest start with 5,000. Okay, so ganito. So if all I have to do is example, di ba, nakita natin it's MBT. Example, if I have to choose, it's up to you, but ano yung gusto mo, but if I have to choose, kung ako nagsisimula, I will still choose the highest growth. So all I have to do is go to my COL and then type MBT. Okay? I'll type that and then I'll click buy. Yan. Sit market is open. So right now, the market is only open from 9 p.m. to 12:30 noon. It used to be 9 p.m. to 4, but because of COVID, I think they reduced their hours. Kasi hindi sila nagpupunta sa office. So how do we buy? Ito na yung buy. Kunyari, me, I have 9,000 here, balance. And then I will... The price in MBT here is 34.70. Okay? Ito yung current price. And then I'll go back 34.30 nga dito. Yun medyo mataas. So it's cheaper here. It can change cents. And it's fine. So piliin ko lang dito. Dito ako sa bid. Dito ako pipiliin ng price. Kunyari, I'll choose 34.20. 34.20. Yan. And then how many? Kunyari, of course, you have to check kung magkano yung balance mo. So ilang shares dapat? If 34.20 ang price and you only have 5,000, so you have to, like example me, I have 9,000. I'm using my calculator. Okay, so kunyari I'll buy 100 shares. Okay, 100 lang. Usually, hindi siya pwedeng 99. If I put 99, they will tell me number of shares must not be less than 100. So every company, depende, they have minimum. So ito, for Metrobank, you have to buy at least 100 shares. So around 3,000 pesos. Okay. So, kung mas mahal siya, kunyari, we'll buy, kunyari, Globe. Globe is 2,000 per share. 2,098. It's very expensive.
Mm.
So I'll check ilan yung minimum ng Globe ha. Kunyari, I'll do Globe here. G-O-G-L-U. G-L-O. Kunyari lang ha. I'll go back pala. Globe is 2,100 per share. Kunyari lang to ha. Kasi recommended pa naman. Kunyari, I'll buy, I don't know how many shares they have. Minimum. So with Globe, number of shares must be less than 5. Meaning minimum of 5. Medyo mahal. I mean, minimum of 5. Medyo, kunyari 2,000 siya, tapos minimum of 5. So it has to be around 10,000. Are you getting it? Meron
Apa.
siyang minimum number of shares. Every company different. Depende sa price niya. So 5 ang minimum nito. So I cannot buy it. Kasi I don't have enough cash here. I only have 9,000. Okay? Or, depende yun sa price niya. So kung MPI naman, MPI, this is, I think, Metro Pacific Investments. And, konto siya, real estate company. And it's only cheap. It's 3 pesos lang. 3.44. And the expected growth is 100.87. So medyo maganda siya. So let's see how much yung minimum niya. Okay? MPI. So Metro Pacific Investment Corp, I really think the minimum here is 1,000. Tingnan na natin na. 3.37. So here, it's 3 pesos some 0.337 per share, pero yung minimum niya, number of shares is 1,000. So I need at least 3,000 something. So kaya at least put suggestion ko, although you can open the 1,000, but pag walang masyadong mura, baka hindi ka makabili kasi kulang. So you don't need to put naman diretso, but at least to activate your account, 1,000, and then you can just slowly put more. Kaya my suggestion is at least 5,000.
5,000.
Or kahit 4,000. Kasi ito yung minimum so far na nakikita ko. Okay, so 1,000. Okay, 1,000. So the 1,000 shares is, yung price ko, kunyari pipili ako ng price ng 0. Ito yung pipiliin ko. Usually I just play around here. Ito yung bid. I don't want to go technical, what does it mean? But usually if you're buying, you look at the bid dito. Ito yung meaning, ito yung mga available na pwedeng bilhin. And then the ask is when you're selling. So, personally, honestly, for me, I don't look at what it means. Ang alam ko lang dito is how to buy and how to sell. Check my portfolio. And I just want to make it so simple for everyone because that's all I do, you know. And being with the Truly Rich Club for 8 years, I've also met a lot of members. I'm quite happy with the performance as well with the portfolio. And this is just one, actually. Isa lang to sa benefit of being a Truly Rich Club. There's more, like entrepreneurship and, you know, the community. But parang ito yung highlight because this is a very practical way to build wealth. Like, you know, yung masasabi mo talaga na I'm confident about what's going to happen in my future. Parang, kasi when I started, parang, you know, like I work hard and this is the situation of many people. I work hard every day. I work hard for 5 years, 10 years, pero parang wala. Parang, you know,
Pero ma'am, if pwede ko pong malaman, nakamagkano na po kayo nung, for example, nitong 8 years na to?
Well, so what happens is that, ang yung ginagawa ko is, before when I started, 7,000. 7,000. Okay?
7,000.
So 7,000. And then, because I've developed the habit of just investing, so kung may mga extra money ako, like, you know, I do online marketing or, you know, I put more. I put more na. I really put more. So, kunyari may extra akong cash or I have kunyari 100,000. So parang naging habit ko na siya na hindi na ako natatakot mag-invest. So ang
Ay,
goal ko
kasi
kasi,
alam nyo na nga po.
ang goal ko talaga, I'm not close to my goal yet, but my goal is really to have 50 million when I'm 45 in my portfolio. I want 50 million when I'm 45 in my portfolio. I still have a long way to go. And that's why I'm saying na parang, this is just a tool for us to, and my portfolio will go up and down. Sa totoo lang, it goes up and down. I've seen, I've sold na at 40%. So iba-iba siya. Like, but I know it's really growing. Generally, the average growth is for 12 to 14%. Depende kung magkano na yung portfolio mo.
So, depende po talaga sa pinapasok rin na pera.
Yung recommendation na naman is at least 20% of your income. Depende pa rin sa'yo kung ano yung goal mo. So, ikaw, ano yung goal mo? How much do you want? Ito yung question kasi niyan. How much do you want?
Tsaka dapat po matyaga ka rin na ina-update yung ano mo. Yung tulad nga po, yung buying.
So, yun. Kunyari, it doesn't have to be retirement lang naman, no? Kunyari, you're in Singapore and I want to, you plan 5 years from now, you want to go home or you want to buy something big like a house or something, an investment, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin na pang long-term na savings para may growth pa rin yung pera mo compared you're just keeping it sa bank. But like Gina, she managed to put the 1 million something for 7 years. Konti-konti lang. Kasi I think she was just putting 2,000 lang per month when she started. And, if she can make it 2,000, earning 7,000 a month. Pero of course, ngayon, yun nga, yung mga bonus niya, she put it here. Right now, honestly, my portfolio is red, but I'm not worried. Hindi ako worried I'm not really like, parang, I already know na it's going to up and down, but the good thing is it's growing. I really know it's growing, and I really know that I can reach that goal eventually. I know it's a pressure. I'm putting a pressure sa self ko, ha. So, depende. Iba-iba kasi tayo ng goals. So, ikaw, magkano yung gusto mo? And then, of course, we calculate it. And then, this is what I'm going to put. So, at the end of the day, I also have a pressure to increase my cash flow. Like example, I'm just earning 150,000 to 200,000 a month. I'm finding a way more na makapag-add pa ng income para makapag-invest ba ako so I could reach that goal. So, ikaw, ano yung iniisip mo right now in your head? How much do you want? How much do you want? So, I think we have to start somewhere like, asan ako ngayon? In my life, what do I have? Parang ganon. You have to assess yourself. Saan ka magsisimula? And then, to be honest, a lot of OFWs, wala masyadong savings talaga. Like, I know someone na seaman for 10 years na punjer niya is like sasakyan lang. Yun lang parang, So, what if you stop working or nawalan ka ng work? Diba? Ang rami nga nawalan ng work.
Kaya nga.
Yun nga, what if it happens? So, do you have anything that can sustain you? This is still a backup plan. We don't wish it will happen, but when you have a portfolio na, na that is growing, parang may backup plan ka pa rin, you always have this backup. And the good thing is we also, aside from this, we have dividends, meaning every year, extra pa yon, and then we build our portfolio. So yun na yun talaga ang goal ko. I still have 10 years to achieve that. And exciting actually. It's a challenge for myself. But to be honest, kinakalimutan ko lang to siya and I just buy slowly. But generally, I've grown it. So ikaw, magkano yung gusto mo?
Hindi ko pa masabi pero tatry ko muna to kung pag-aralan po muna kasi basic pa lang eh.
Yes.
Aralin ko po muna.
So basically, ito lang yung gagawin mo palagi. Bili-bili lang. And then, of course, if we have a sell.
So, yung Cole Financial, tsaka ano po yung isa, yung,
Truly Rich
ano
Club.
yun?
So ito yun,
Yun,
click mo lang
True
yung buy,
Reliance.
tapos it will go to this, says buying, and then you enter your password, and then place buy. So it won't buy straight away. It will, your order is being sent for execution.
Mm.
And then they will say, it will take few minutes sometimes a day, depende sa market. You will get an email confirmation na okay na siya.
For example, ma'am, kunwari parang, wow, medyo marami ng ano, pwede ko pong i-withdraw yon or
Yes, you can anytime.
pwede naman po.
Anytime. Actually, that's the good thing is you are in full control with this. You know, aside from
Kasi,
compare sa nag-invest ka sa iba na masa-stack yung money mo, kunyari for 1 year, 5 years, whatever. This is really full control mo talaga siya. You have all the thing that you can do, whatever you want. You know, the withdrawal will take 1 day. Of course, you have to sell it, and then you can withdraw. So ito na yun na yung buying, you know. Pipili ka, and then you choose the price, enter how many shares, and then click buy. And usually it takes 20 minutes. So I log out now. Sige. So again, when you're buying, really make sure you're looking at this. Okay? Every time you buy, balik ka dito, tingnan mo kung ano yung recommendation nila. Kasi just recently, I was talking to someone like this, and what she did is she watched the video. She watched this video. This video was, I think, Gold Call with Edmond Lee. Sometimes we have it live inside our platform. You will receive an email, hey, we have a Gold Call. And then it's going to be a live interview, discussion of what's going on. And then you can ask questions here. Kung may question ka talaga na specific. Example, I'll say, I have a question. They will read the questions and answer us live if you are there live. Okay? So yeah. And she watched this, and then the discussion was they added pure gold in the SAM. Sabi nila, oh, buy pure gold. That was like a few weeks ago. But then, when she bought, nang bumili siya niya tininan yung SAM kung updated ba. Kasi nga, daily to nag-change siya daily. Nag-change siya daily. So, bumili siya ng pure gold. Then, when we were doing the tutorial, because she watched that video, when we were doing the tutorial, I look at pure gold. It's already stopped buying. So, medyo, hindi naman lose, no? Pero, medyo na late siya. na late siya nagbili. Kasi it stopped buying na. So, very important, when you're actually buying, check this. Okay? Ito lang, side by side, tingnan mo lang. Is it still continue buying? Is it stop buying?
Yun nga, madali naman ho pala kasi, yun nga, meron naman kayong help na, yun nga, continue buying. Hold or sell, ano po yung hold or sell?
So,
Stop,
hold or sell
sa susunod na lang.
Ang recommendation nila sa hold and sell is that, example, may mga companies dito na, kunyari ito is, what is this? So Shell nga, di ba? Shell. They still believe that Shell will be fine. But it might take longer to go up. So ang ginagawa nila is, it's either, depende sa'yo, you can hold it, just leave it in your portfolio until it goes up because the expected growth naman is 218. Pero you can sell it, kunyari you lost money there, you can sell it at a loss, but you will buy a new company na i-recommend din nila that will go up faster than Shell. And they still believe Shell will be okay for long term, but it might take a while to go up again. So, ang kuha nila is ipapaswap nila sa bagong company na very good din ang potential, but it will go faster, go or bounce back faster than Shell. Kunyari Globe. Kasi Globe right now is, you know, like people are using internet, working at home. So, really, ang laki ng potential ng Globe. And also, they're also talking about, I think they also recommend Century Tuna. Kasi di ba nga, yung sardinas ng mga company sa
malalakas po talaga siya eh.
Oo, like grabe, like they really, sila yung nag-benefit masyado, yung mga ganun. So, yes. So is that how did you find that? Any questions? Yes.
Itatry ko pong gawin yan. Pero pag ano ma'am, ayun, i-message ko na lang kayo. Thank you po.
So message me lang, message me if you're ready. Pag okay na yung
Kung,
account mo, just message me. But usually we have to do this live if you want assistance. I'll give you a
mahirap
copy
nga
of it.
naman kasi pag message lang ho pag ganito.
So I'm trying to do it at least once a week. May ganito, like, you know, in our group, we can like have a Zoom meeting together and then we'll execute live how to buy, how to sell. And pero simple, you know, this is the whole concept of it. You don't need to complicate yourself na magsa-study ka. But if you're really interested again, you can really read like ito dito, itong mga, saan ba itong materials? Newsletters. Asan yung stock updates material? So ito, stock, asan ba yung mga stock updates dito? Ito pala, stock updates. Stock updates. It's not here. Ayaw mabuksan. May mga newsletter na i-discuss talaga nila. Bakit ito yung nirecommend na company? Anong nangyayari? Sa mga technical na tao, pero to be honest, I read it every now and then pag wala na talaga akong ginagawa. but not regularly. I will admit it because I'm busy. So, kaya itong Truly Rich Club talaga is pang-tamad na tao. Pero gusto mo mag-invest, you want to make money, but you don't have time to do the research. You know? So, I think a lot of people are doing that.
Yes, matagal ko na po talaga siyang gustong salihan, kaya lang sabi ko parang hindi ko alam or ano, ngayon lang ako nakapag ano. Kasi matagal nyo na rin po ako mini-message before. Talagang interested naman ako. Tapos especially si brother, kumbaga si Bo Sanchez, kilala naman for religious reason and also sa stocks nga. Kaya talagang ano naman ako, confident naman ako dun sa, yun nga, na magpa-member.
Yes, and it's funny because I know he promotes it, but really, parang hindi masyadong detail, like he's just promoting it briefly, generally. So, that's why I thought, what if I'll really go deep? Kasi for me, parang simple lang naman siya, maging member ka, and then you get, but for a lot of people, hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-clear. Like, you know, it's really not that clear yet. Even right now, I'm talking to, she's a CPA, and she's like, paano ba yun? And, you know, she's also Brother Bo's follower for many years. And hindi niya mag-get talaga ano yung Truly Rich Club. Sabi ko, this is how it is. So, kaya in-explain ko din sa kanya. Kaya I'm running a campaign. And another thing is, you can get extra income through the affiliate marketing, which I am doing. And if you want that later, no, I want you to have a feel first. Do your first investment, and then, you know, use our materials, and then if you're really happy with what you're getting, then for me it's my mission now to share it, because, you know, I've been sharing it but not actively talaga na grabe. But this 2020, I really decided na I will, kasi lalo na ngayon ang raming tao na kailangan ng hope. You know, grabe talaga ang nangyari kasi sa COVID. Like even me, yung mga businesses namin, it's been affected, but, you know, you need something na you want to go on, you know, like that will remind you that your future is still bright and you can still prosper kahit ano nangyari. So that's why I decided to really, you know, apply my skills kung paano siya i-promote. And it's not bad because ito yung affiliate program, just in case you open yun. You can get your membership back fast in 1 month if magiging active ka. Kasi like I did it and I think I earned like extra 8,000 maybe 10,000 just for the month of July to August. So diba, extra income din. Online lang lahat.
Maganda naman.
And also, of course, you're sharing you know, you're helping other people. Kasi marami talaga lost, not sure, working hard, but not sure about the future, yung mga ganon. So, later, I'll be sharing as well kung paano ko ginagawa. But I want you to start muna sa basic.
Ayun sa basic.
Basic muna tayo.
Mhm.
So yan, do you have more questions? Ito yung pinaka-highlight lang naman. How to buy, how to use this. Kasi many there just get, maraming number.
Kaya,
So I don't want you to get scared of that because really all we need is, of course, you log
just
in.
follow the instructions.
Yes. Follow instructions lang talaga tayo. And then, ito lang pinaka-important lang naman dito sa COL, kahit ang rami-rami dyan is, ito lang, dito ka lang, i-enter mo yung stock.
I-enter ko yung
Na,
pinopropose na continue buying, di ba po? Ganun po. Ayun.
yes, and then buy. And once it's there, just choose the price, and then it's done. Honestly, it will take you 20 minutes. It just took us a long while because I'm explaining it. But kung ikaw na ang gagawa niyan, it will be so easy and fast. Yan. So, your next assignment muna is to open your account.
Yun muna yung ayusin ko muna.
Okay?
Para masimulan ko na ho yan. Tsaka, intayin ko muna yung salary namin. Medyo out of budget na naman.
So, just really allocate mo lang ng konti. Yeah, of course, you have to, you know your budget, you know your income. But really, it's more on the habit. Yun ang sinasabi ni Brad. It's not the amount, but it's really just that habit of putting aside. Like 1,000, 2,000. Hindi mo lang yung namamalayan. Minsan, sina Starbucks lang yan. Or nagda-dine out. Diba? But once na-invest mo na or nalagay mo na sa account mo sa COL, parang kinakalimutan mo na muna siya. Like, you know, and think about the bright future for you, or not so long na retirement talaga, no? But honestly, it's leveraging to know na, confident ka talaga sa future mo. Parang, you know, hindi ka na masyadong nasa-stress. Na parang, ano ba yan? I'm working hard and parang wala. Yung gano'n. Gano'n na feeling. So, yan. So, I think that's it naman. Yan lang. So, do you have more questions for that?
May message ko na lang po kayo. Ayusin ko muna ang account ko.
Yeah, sure. Sige.